should have it right now. Do you have audio now? You should be able to have audio. Good morning, Kadak. All right. Audio check on YouTube. Okay, thank you. So gold ran to the high, broke to target number 3, target number 2 pulled back, and we're looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity against the 1944.2. This captain setup structure will pose as a support area for us. ES broke the high of yesterday. It's doing better than Russell 2000, a lot stronger than the Russell 2000. And Globex is at 4145.5. And the market is pushing target number 4 in this sequence. It's quite a distance away, but that's the target that we have at 4235.75. That's what we're looking for right now. And Q on a daily basis, I mean, boy, oh boy, you got to gap up and you got to run. And ultimately, then the next target is going to be 13,109. The target before that is going to be 13,048.75. Pullbacks are buyables, but be ready for behavior where the market can retest the gap. So the overall swing trade is long on a daily basis, but within that swing long, you're going to have reactions that are negative, and we need to be fairly prepared and flexible to adjust to whatever the market is going to give us. All right, gold is the gap up above. So this is a bullish behavior. Target number 3 on a swing trade basis, 2034.9. ES, same kind of behavior. Target number 2 is 42.47 on a swing trade basis. YM. Right now, we're trading above Globex. I would say it's weaker than NQ and ES put together. This type of behavior. You have a captain set up short right now. We have 4 minutes. 4 minutes to the cash market open. Let's take a look. At let's see, Bitcoin. Oh wow, yeah, 24,000. All right, so 24,200. Decent price action in Bitcoin. Pullbacks are buyable against the 22,400. When we look at 200 Intirinko in NQ, we're seeing price action that's continuing to push higher and higher. Target number 4 in this sequence is going to be 12,783.5. So that's coming up right here. The next target is, before that, is 692.25. We're ready for anything here. I mean, the market can extend itself, but eventually it will have to come to a turning point. We've seen how the market will run up 15, 20 candles in a row, then pulls back, or this is a bigger pullback. So we're, any trades that I will take here gonna be more of a scalping nature than a swing trade nature, because the risk of trying to establish a new swing trade right here is a lot higher. 200 Intirinko and the 100 Intirinko are in sync on the long side. ES on the 50 Intirinko, we talked about that. That's a bullish signal, and pullbacks are buyable. If the market closes below 41.51 on ES, that will shift the personality of the day. Panos, good morning. Let me see here. Adam, good morning. All right. We got 1 minute. Just remember, every day in every way, we're getting better and better and better at trading. Every day in every way, you're getting better and better and better at trading. Let's stay focused. Let's stay disciplined. We know what we need to be doing here. The first half an hour is an area of time that we need to be very patient with. Maria, good morning. Here comes that 60, that 95. There's a disconnect between what you're seeing in NQ and what you're seeing in ES. ES is weaker than NQ. Wow. Okay. Gap and go. 12,720. Captain set up short on ES right now. We want to see how the price is acting. Here you go. So that's the retest of harmony zone number 1. We should bounce back up a little bit here to the 95, potentially the 700. Johnny, good morning. So here comes the 700. First one. Very good, very good, very good. Good morning, Jose. Check, guys. Check my prices. Are we in sync or not? I mean, there's obviously a delay in Zoom, just a tad bit. So where's your price right now? Huh. Okay, I get it. So there's a captain set up on the 70 NT Rinko, but the price is so extended. I'm not necessarily going to be trusting that process right there. So the 680 is going to be, yeah, if it's a couple of seconds difference, then that's just normal for an open in a very heavy market. If we break 682, if we break 682, that'll be a captain set up short on the 100 NT Rinko. Yeah. See, if we break this, then that is going to be the catalyst for 682. Yeah. I'm going to get aggressive if we get there. And I'm gonna look for rallies as a shorting opportunity. So I'm gonna add to it. What's going on here? Yeah, there is a delay. Yeah, major delay. That's what I'm seeing here. I really don't even know where I'm at. 706. Wow. Yeah, I may get screwed on this deal here. Like, I really don't even know where we're at. Yeah, it's okay. All right. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Yeah, like it's like, even if I try to exit, I don't know where I'm exiting at, so I'm gonna have to kind of leave it till we catch up on quotes. That's just I actually upgraded my bandwidth, so I'm not sure what. Let's see here. Yeah, 90. All right, let's see if we can get rid of some stuff here. All right, I mean, no need to tell me anymore. We just have to deal with that and just move on. Yeah, I'm reloading my data right now. All right, let me know what's the quotes are right now. I'm caught up right now, of course. Of course, I'm caught up right now after they. So 25. So it seems like we're all caught up right now. Of course. All right, that's fine. So I'm gonna put orders out there and just check how things are. Technical problems do happen. I just gotta accept it and just move on. It's hard to stomach, to be honest with you, but it is what it is. Like I couldn't have gotten out of that if I wanted to, because my orders would not be sent out. If there's that much delay, the system will kick it out. So I had to sit there till I caught up. All right. So what do we see here? We see failed captain set up with a switch trade, and the market heading to target number 4, which is 12,783.5. We're looking for pullbacks as a buying opportunity. Two switch trades together right here. The market should be pushing lower. You have a harmony zone right here, harmony zone number 1. Breaking 709 will start a process where things can start to fade into harmony zone number 2. There we go. Okay, harmony zone number 2 right here. Let's see how well they hold that level. We may be in a reversal pattern here. The market is setting it up. Okay. All right. If we break 671, yes, 671. 671. We need to see a rally and a potential reversal here. We'll start looking for opportunities to get a little bit of short going. We're using wrinkle bars, Johnny. It's not time based, it's wrinkle based. So we got very close to closing that candle, and they pulled it back off le- level 2, harmony zone 2. All right, so here we go. All right, so we have that 66 as a level. Yeah, yeah, it's just probably a data feed issue altogether. Let's see here. You got a captain set up long on ES. So it's not just only me. I mean, I'm getting safe saying he's having rhythmic issues. Panos is saying the same thing. So it's just across the board. Good morning, Suarez. Good morning. All right, we're short here, and we covered one, and we're looking for a big move into target number 3. Come on, baby. Fill me. Here it comes. Thank you. Come on, baby. Let's go. Boom. Thank you. All right. So we picked off this one winner. So the market here connected on the 200 with the 200 NT Rinko and gave us a new fresh harmony wave and trigger railroad short. And then actually I needed to add to it right here at 70. So, but anyway, I took that one, took that first target or on target number 2, and I took the second target at target number 3. We have to navigate this data issue and also figure out a way to trade in a healthy way. So let's see if we can get another rally back up and try to get short in it. Yeah. I mean, it needs to go all the way up to 700 for me to even be entertained, yeah, especially with this captain setup long. There you go. Yeah, no, I was SNK. I was sick. I had I came down with fever and stocked up. I'm still recovering, so I did not stream on YouTube on Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. But I, you know, did not even trade Monday and Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, we have our own private room, so just traded Wednesday in that room, and today I'm back on YouTube. No, yeah, man, just it's the weather. The weather got me. Thank you, appreciate it. Okay, sounds good, Suarez. Khaled, you have your video on. I just disabled it. Here we go. The shorts are coming back in with a spear trade, and they're pushing the price. We're looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity right now. Yeah, there's a delay again. There's a delay again. Come on, baby. Thank you. So 2 good trades in a row. We had a short from 80 to 56 and a short from 88 to 78. And we're slowly recovering from that technical issue that we had early on. Can't let it affect me. I just have to work through it. It's one of those things that sometimes it's out of your control, and you just have to kind of work through. I could cry about how they tried to screw me. Ain't gonna do me any good. Ain't gonna do me no good. $650. Oh well, yeah. Let's see if we get there. We should get a rally back up right here. This okay. Well, not really, huh? Yeah. So now the rotations are like literally like a 9 and 11 and 13. The ranges are moving in a lot bigger move per rotation. So I got to be looking for that. Okay, here comes the captain setup on ENQ. Watch every time we get there, they run up the market hard. But once we get to these upper levels and we test harmony zone number 1, you see how many times we got there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Every time we get up there, they slam it down. All right. Can somebody let me know how the quotes are looking? I changed my connection here. So here we go to Harmony Zone number 1. And we keep fading that Harmony Zone. So what is that telling me right now? It's telling me that 57.75, if we close, we should be in sync on the short side, and the market is ready for a continuation trade. That continuation trade will take us down to 41. So we break 60, we'll go to 41. Huh. All right, they're coming back at that level again. We have 159.75 captain set up on ES, pushing the price higher. We're digging into Harmony Zone number 1. That's interesting. All right, taking a short right here. And I can add to it at 29. Thank you. I was just testing zone number 2, and they tend to do this and give the impression of complete breakout, then just to fade it and retest at the middle of the range. So a couple of things that needed to happen here. Either the price will just shoot up and I had to kind of cover around the 40, or the most likely event of it, coming back to the middle of the range to retest. Just took that trade and it's still showing some strength. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to try this again. I'm just going to wait for the market to completely shift the cloud to a negative cloud and a new harmony wave short. And if that happens, then I'll participate, because it shouldn't be this strong up at these levels. And there's a good chance that we're gonna break that target right there, which is coming up right now, and that is 745. 745. Right, here we come, breaking that 745 coming up right now. I should be happening any second here. Here it comes. Target number 5 in this sequence is going to be 757. So let's assume they put a captain setup short here, because it seems that they're trying. If they do that, I'm not going to just automatically take it. I'm going to look for a push lower, a retest, and a failure. If that happens, I'm involved, but otherwise I'm not. And if they break the 745, then you don't have a setup to begin with. See how they're just spending a lot of time right on that target. And they are just spending that time. Here we go. That's the captain setup. And we want to see the flush first. And the retest. See the retest. If it gets back up to that 40, then reverses. Here we go. If it reverses back down, then I'm involved. Otherwise, I'm not. See that tricky behavior? Right at the target. Like it's as if they know. There you go. Target is hit. There you go. Boom. See that trap that they're trying to put on for the shorts with that captain setup? We didn't fall for that one. One of the reasons is the fact that you have the captain setup is happening counter trend and it's very close to the middle of the range. So those you want to wait on. And then full loss on that one. Yeah, so yeah, PC. This is 200 NT Rinko. This is 100 NT Rinko. This is 6 ES is 6 NT Rinko for ES. When I click on that chart will be the 50 NT Rinko. And what you're seeing here is the 200 NT 20 NT Rinko on NQ. Good Lord, look at that. Oh, that switch right there. Oh yeah. I don't know why I didn't think about that one. Yeah, that was a good one. We hit target number 6. The heck? Target number 4 is hit on the 200 NT Rinko, and I'm sorry, but I'm gonna go short right here. I know that's a little bit risky. Don't just join me here. I'm gonna be trading in a range, but these type of moves tend to be faded. I'm gonna start small, and I have the capacity to add to it at 820 if I have to. That's it right there for me. I'll take a 15-point stop on 3 contracts if it runs up to 17 and a quarter. Actually, it needs to be right here. We should be flushing under 800. Yeah, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's a disconnect between NQ and ES, by the way. Almost there. Here we go. Good deal. Good deal. That should get us where we need to go. Took one, and that's for a minor profit, and the first one for a minor profit. I want to see if I can get down to that 787, which we need to clear this zone. I'm not at an area where I should be taking a break even. I mean, the worst thing I could do is just reduce my risk by that amount, and basically I will give up 6 points on this trade, and I think my profits will pay off for that stop if it happens. Threading the damn needle on this one here. yeah, it's gonna stop me. All right, that's fine. I can take it. Yeah, that's fine. Let him come and take me. I'm okay with that. I mean, when you extend yourself above target number 6, you'll get a lot of back and fill behavior. At 950, let's keep working. All right, I'm going to step away for just a moment. All right. So this thing is just keeps going, inching higher. Now we close that candle. Target number 6 mean nothing, I guess, right? Price action is shooting up, pulling back a little bit right here. Well, that's actually, I don't know why I didn't think about that. Not really, SNK. I mean, it's just going to be one of those things. But the market is going to give you what the market is going to give you. So we have a switch trade right here, short. Okay, so we want to see what they want to do. I mean, ultimately, if the market reverses to 740, actually to be exact, 745.75, then that would be a short in the market. Then I'll start looking at rallies as a shorting opportunity. I went here because we're way above target number 6, and that structure typically will just gets faded, and the odds are we're seeing the early signs of it getting faded. So got short here, added to it within reason, covered nicely on couple, took a stop on the last one. So we're about down a little bit on that trade, and now just the market rolling over with the switch trade behavior. Two minutes to the top of the hour. Needed to get out of that one too here. All right, how's everybody doing so far? Adam, Brad, Gary, any trades? Sheila, James, Jose, Joseph, Ken, Khaled, KK, Lone, how are you? Panos, Pat, PC Omer. PC Omer. How we doing, guys? SNK, Suarez, DAH. How is everybody doing? Yeah, that's probably a good choice. Buy every dip, I guess, huh? There you go. Now you want to sell off, huh? So we're testing harmony zone number 1. It's 10 o'clock right here. Gonna take one right here for a scalp into target number 1 or 90. There you go. I took a flat on that one. It gave me over 5 points, but maybe there's a little bit of greed going on here. I'll take that flat. I mean, we hit target number 1. I just was looking for better than target number 1 to target number 2. Yeah, definitely the longs are the better trade here. That's absolutely true. I mean, I can't get myself to really kind of commit to the longs up here. We're at target number 4 after making 28 candle move without any decent retracement. I'm like, okay, we're hitting target number 4. The safer position trade is to look for shorts in this area, but I can't just be anywhere, and I cannot have a big stop either, because the market could continue to run up. And we have a target number 5 at 13,001 and a half. Because it's a confirmation, Ken, especially in this environment. I mean, both of them paid you a little bit of money. Okay, so we're getting a little bit of, I'm reading through the comments here. Gary's talking the 200 on ES. Red Day Brad. Yeah, it's been and Panos a little bit down for today. KK Red Day. Pat. Panos negative 500. Okay, I got it. Pat is plus 243. Okay. Ken negative 100 points. You got hammered here. On your evaluation, it's Apex site per Omer. That is the most important part, Adam. It's a cheap way to learn a lot about oneself. Let me show you where I'm at. I mean, if it wasn't for that technical issue we had this morning, I would be just up nicely. So we started the day like that. Then that technical issue we had on those two contracts, I actually tried to send orders to exit, and it wasn't sending anything. And I'm like, okay, if I keep pushing that button and these orders start to go through, I'm gonna be screwed because I'll be like, I don't know how many, as many times as I push that button, I may have orders 4 or 5, basically 10 contracts out there. So I just kind of had to leave it alone till the quotes caught up, and you guys saw what happened. I mean, I could again sit here and cry about it, or just keep working through it. So took these trades and reduced my impact, got back in, got to 500. That last rotation, so I'm about 689, and if I continue to trade, I'll get back to break even and plus more. I just need to keep my mind focused and just keep looking at what's important to me. And what's important to me is just hyper focused on what the market is doing right now. But that's where we at so far. All right, so here we go, potential trade. And that potential trade is if we break the 800. If we break the 800, we will get a captain setup short on the 70 NT Rinko. This switch trade right here, if it happens, I'll jump in. Come on. And then the 800, when the 800 happens, we should get a test of the 95.84 area. So that's what I'm going to be waiting on right now. Here it comes. Well, I mean, I say here it comes, but really the trade is the 800. You got to get the 800 break. Yeah. It'll be a break even right now for me. I'm not going to give it any more, especially in this environment. Either it's going to a break right here or gives me a few ticks, and I'll take the few ticks and move on with life. Here it comes. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'm gonna be a chicken about it here. I'll take this and I'll try it again. I'll try it again. I will try it again. But the 800 is what needs to happen. And my entry needed to be really higher at 15, which would have gave me about 12 points, and I could have taken 10 out of it and waited to see if the 800 would have showed up. We'll try this again. Comes the 800. I mean, I'm not going to get short at 800, but I'm going to go and post orders above 808. Here comes 808, 816. And I hope they give me something here. I mean, the market is not a trending short market, so we should get a rally back up. And don't jack with me here. Get up there. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's see if I can get. God dang it. Look at these bastards. Yeah, I mean, I saw the 801. I saw the 802. I was like, man, I would have to get in here and add from 8 and 15. And I just was hoping for a little bit of a bounce. Now you're going to see the selling coming in. I'll give it another shot. I mean, they should pause here fairly soon. Yeah, maybe one more candle on ES on the downside. I rally back up to 190. And then we can take a look at coming in here. Yeah, if you got 10 points, Omer, you know, ain't nothing wrong with taking those 10 points. Yeah, that's gonna be. I'm gonna watch it pay off in a big way here. But it is what it is. I'm not chasing nothing. Things need to come to me the way they need to come to me. I mean, this distribution that I started. I mean, you're now going to be starting to see why I got involved in it. Why above target number 6, things tend to get lethargic, even if they give you this impression of continuation trades. Once you get above that level, things get to slow down on that direction. $200 into wrinkle and the 100 into wrinkle are out of sync right now. So that's just providing a consolidation pocket in the market. Gotta cancel these orders. So we're in the, if we were following the momentum of this market, these zones are buy zones, right? That's just the zone number 1, harmony zone number 1. We're seeing the market coming to it and bouncing right back up. we're taking the fade version of this trade with a scalping, just basically a scalping trade, just due to the fact that really we don't have a decisive short market, but we're seeing these pockets of selling interest that are becoming stronger and stronger and stronger. And the fact that the market put on a captain setup short on the 70 NT Rinko at what is that, the 800, that's a sign at least there's a big distribution phase between the 800 to 830, and the market is reacting to it. All right, so now the market is giving us a choice. Really, a break back down to 780 will produce a captain setup switch trade short on the 70 NT Rinko, and that would be a good signal if it shows up. If this candle that we're in here, or these couple of candles, if we start breaking above 820, then that kind of changes the dynamics. You're really looking at a retest of this captain setup, and you want to protect 833, you want to protect 827, and you want to show a reversal pattern lower. So here we go. So we're coming to the 820. Seven. I mean, that's just 8. Just gonna go ahead and get short right here at 820. Are they gonna give it to me, or are they gonna just mess with me here? I'll take 17.5. Oh, they're not gonna give it to me. Okay. 17.25. I'll keep it there for one candle, and I'll see if I can get involved. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, break below 10 will get us moving. Come on, baby. Let's go. I'll take it right here. I'll take it right here. And I think it has a little bit more potential, to be honest with you. But, the market can bounce right back up. And I want to protect my profits, especially since we're, grinding our way back. I mean, I'll take what I can. 17 to 06. So we made over 10 points. It's the grinder day today. I can smell a positive day coming for me. I can smell a positive day. Yes, that is a retest of the 70 NT Rinko re-entry, and that's why I went in it. Plus, you're looking at what we discussed in training, me and you, is look at the sequence of ES. How many candles on the 6 NT Rinko that we ran up into the 70 NT Rinko resistance? You're getting 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I was like, okay, I'm good here. I mean, I didn't like that switch trade, be honest with you, but I had resistance up here at 32, and I was like, okay, I feel like the market should, at least for that first attempt at it, to back off a little bit. And my target was the middle of the range. If in and around 800, which is a whole number, we burst below it quickly, then that would have gave me a reason to stick around. But what did the market do? It paused. If it pauses there in the middle of the range, the odds are they're accumulating and they're trying to reverse it. So automatically, I just went out quick. So that's the rationale behind the entry and the stress of it, and also the exit and why. Well, I mean, it's the next target. I mean, I wouldn't put it past this market. 845 is the next target. Then from there, you're looking at target number 5, which is 13,010 and a half. Target number 6, if you can dream, and you could dream big, is 13,351. Yeah, this market really is designed, to be honest with you, trap the shorts and roll them over. Because it grinds, it drops, it gets you all worked up on the short side just to turn it back up. I mean, I have to be like super precise. I mean, you're like, this is precise, this was precise. That would have been really nice if I held on to that. This one is precise. I mean, this distribution here was a good one. And eventually it did work. But I took a flat on that trade. I mean, just about every trade that I took since I mean, look at that one here. Short, short, short into that cover. Short into that cover. You see that one? That's exactly the same one that I just did. And we had this nice trade right here. That was a good one. And this is the one where we had the technical issue, where I'm locked into this trade. The quotes are off. I cannot send orders to cover. And I'm sitting here just basically to my fate. And my fate came in right here. So that's the only like down trade that I have. I mean, everything else pretty much made money. So the market here, you have a captain set up long on ES that started at 41.92 to target number 1. So basically, if the market breaks below 41.90 on ES, then that will start a rotation lower. But till then, I'm kind of the behavior that has been very persistent is the dips are buyable. That's just what been working. Here you go. They're putting the switch trade right here, short at 822.50. All right. I see you. I see you. 5. That's interesting that the market did that. 40 points. Yeah. So So ES went from, let's call it 90 to 95, like 6 points. And NQ went up 40 points. That tells me that NQ is a lot stronger than what you're seeing in ES. That's what I'm looking at, Omer. Is just most likely they just flushed everybody above the captain setup, and they're gonna roll them back in, and the 808 will be the key, 808.50. If we break 808.50, then I'm gonna start looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity against the 830 and the high of 840. Here it comes. Here you go, and let's see how. We need a rally. I can't just jump in anywhere. It's just not gonna happen. Okay, yeah, 5. So we should get a bit of a rally here. At least I hope. I mean, we're coming in close to 800. $820. Okay, $820. 20, 30, and 40, 20 points. Yeah, they're struggling with 4,200. I mean, that's a market that's digesting, right? It's not necessarily, selling off in any meaningful way, and it's not buying above critical levels like the 4,200 in ES. So they're spending a little bit of time just, backing and filling here. And that's presenting us with some opportunities to fade, because we're not against a hyper strong market up here. It just literally is just going back and forth, back and forth. So you don't want to short the highs, and I mean you don't want to short the lows, and you don't want to buy the highs in this phase of the market. And they're not giving it to me, right? So we're testing again for the second time, I think, second or the third time. Harmony zone number 1. Yeah, I want that trade, but I mean, where do I get in? I can't get in here. I need a rally and a signal. Yep, should be getting that soon here. Yeah, I mean, right here, I mean, here you go again. You got the 200 and the 100 out of sync. So we're back into this pocket of a pocket of consolidation in this market. But again, we need the environment, the behavior, the signal. The environment is not even right, to be honest with you. That's not a short environment to begin with. The behavior, we have a harmony wave short. Okay, I get it. Third, I need a signal. I mean, right here is an inception trade short, right smack into the harmony zone, number one. So I'm not interested. So the conditions not all lined up. And in this environment, you have to be, fairly precise. Even if the risk is you missing a trade, that's okay. We'll, we'll try. Jose. Uh-huh. Okay, we got 9 minutes. 9 minutes to the top of the hour. I mean, they put a switch trade right here. Then you really need a break above 89. So they keep testing this zone over and over and over. The harmony zone number one. There's a good chance that we'll see the 80, not the 80s, but the 60s with the way the price action is behaving right now. Yeah, just leave that stuff alone. Yeah, you're gonna get up. All right, guys, how we were doing so far today? Any improvements? Khaled, Ken, KK, Lone, Panos, Omer, how we doing? Jose, James, Sheila, Gary. No more trades. Okay. Omer is good. Green, good for you. If you're not connecting with this market, it's a good time to call it. Tomorrow's another day. Okay. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of selling pressure into potentially we could see the 60 out of this rotation. Things are slowing down, so probably it would be wise for me to all right, so since the beginning of the year, this is the first session of the year that we are down during the morning session and closing at negative 410. Every session we had about 19, 20 sessions in a row here. We're up every single session. And today we had that one technical issue. But anyway, so that's where we at. We're at 11,762 for the year. And most likely, I have a few training sessions coming up. Once I'm done with them, I'm going to look at the market and look to see if there's any trades. And if I take any more, I'll show them to you tomorrow. But that's where we at. It's 11 o'clock. I mean, that kind of concludes the morning session. And we'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. You guys have a good one.